And next, we will talk about the calculations improvement and about the minimal tool hanger next. Last, we will take a look at the run-out extended toolpath, which are often used for some precise machining. Okay, these options for today's topic. So let's go to see the details about each of them. The first one is the clear layout for the parameter form. Now in the screen, what we have shown you is the new screen parameter inputting starting format. About the detailed information, I would like to show the details in our software. So I will switch to the ZW3D. Okay, now we are in the new version of ZW3D 2014. Okay, in here, let's take a look first. Take a look at the parameter form. This is the first one thing we would like to introduce. From this parameter 13 form, you can find that all the information has been integrated in a reasonable and clear way in order to make user understand easily and user friendly. From here you will find everything you will like, you want. Like the parameter information, like the frame and the speed, and then you need to set up your tolerance and rest the material sync, and also the cutting steps and step done. All the necessary information has been integrated in the primary, and then user normal like to set some limiting condition to help them to get a clear toolpath and so on. Later, then we'll want to determine which kind of path model it should be. And then you need to set up your link and lead out something like that. Here, display, and also for some other options like the path pattern and the feed control and more settings you can find in the advanced options. Those options have been integrated under this tab because those options are not used very often. For some normal user. So this is a big point for this version scan. We can say it has a clear workflow and more easy, user-friendly interface when user use it. Okay, another tips I would like to tell you is that when you go to Setup Manager, you will find that actually you can get all those options, but sometimes maybe you don't want to see some of them because not everybody wants to use all of them. So you can go to Setup, you right-click your mouse, and then you can get 13. Then it will pump up a campaign manager display setting. You can determine which one to display and which one to hide. Like here, if I don't want to use the multiple frame to meaning, or I don't want to use the indexing, so you have no need to use frame. So you don't need to set up it. Just use the default one. That's something like that. Okay. Now, which one you don't want to show, you can very easily to check it or uncheck it in here. If I want to show the tools, which tool has been used and which tool refers to operation, you want in here, you can find all of them. Under each tool, you will find those information to remind you which operation has been used with this tool. Okay, this is the first point about the workflow. The second one is that is some functionalities improvement. It's about some toolpath order, or the maybe we can say in the region priority rulers. Okay, here we list the difference between the 2013 and the 2014. From the picture in the left side, we found in the above, we will find all the toolpaths from the 2013 too much lead in and lead out, because the cutting will not carry out strictly according to the region priority ruler, so that it costs a lot of toolpaths air cut and so on. The picture below is the new result from the latest version. You will find that it's more clear and more smooth. Yeah, no, not less air cut in there, and it will help you to save your time, and it will implemented according to the region priority rule. Okay, about this point, I would like to go to software and we use this example to show you where is the difference. Yeah, actually this is the old toolpath we imported from the older version of ZW3D 2013. From this, you can find just like what we have said. Yeah, a lot of air cut and a lot of jam lead in, lead out. Yeah, it's not what we want. So I will duplicate a new operation to do that with the same parameters. Okay, use this one. I will duplicate it and then use the same parameter. I will not change anything and just calculate. After calculation, you will find a different toolpath will create. And the new toolpath is more clear and smooth and efficient. Okay. Okay. Let's go to solid verify it. Yeah, it will show you this process will strictly according to the region priority ruler. Yeah, like this. Okay, and let's take this and then show it. Now, yeah, you get a new one, like this one. And you change it. Okay, and then let's use the solid verification to show it. Right. Slow down this one. Yeah, it's working very well. Yeah, it cut all the regions according to the ruler of region priority ruler. Yeah. Okay, let's speed up this. Yeah, to see the result. Okay, and this is the first example to show this one. Actually, we also have another example. Want to show, use this one to show this point. Yeah, actually, now we also get some older toolpaths from the older version of ZW3D. Now let's first take a look at the solid verification about the sequence, how this toolpath cut this material. Yeah, you will find that, yeah, the sequence is not so good. Yeah. Obviously, yeah. It doesn't cut this material according to the region first the ruler. Yeah, like this. So let me take it. Let's just duplicate it. And then first hide it, and then calculate again. Now we get a new one, and then I want to use the solid verification to show the sequence of it. Now you will find In this process, it will first machine one region and then jump to another region. Yeah, it's different with the previous one. One by one. Yeah. In this way, it can help user to saving the machine time. Yeah. Okay, this is the result. But for most of the time, if we want to cut this kind of part with the symbol with it, so what we want to do, actually we want to order the cutting sequence. Maybe we want to first cutting this region and then another go to here because we want to keep the region of it, and then go to here and then go to here. Next, I will combine the Toolpath editor to show how to use the new Toolpath editor to get this kind of sequence. Yeah, actually this reorder function can help us to do that. So let's first look at another import point, new Toolpath editor. In this point, I would like to show you some new function about the path editor. Yeah, just like this picture show you, you find that actually we have developed a serious tool to help users to trim and move pattern and middle and scale and reorder within, also extend the Toolpath. Okay, the same. Let's go to the software to see how to use the Toolpath editor work. Now here we got a disorder Toolpath for the roughing operation. But in this phrase, we are not happy with the Toolpath. Yeah, so we need to edit it. How to edit it? I would like to use the Toolpath editor. I first use the trim because I want to trim some unnecessary Toolpaths above this growth. Okay, let's do that. Yeah, first highlight it. Yeah, it's this one, and then trim, and then you can see select one option to do that. Use the polygon line to pick it. In order to get a clear idea about where I want to choose, I will first hide this part. Just leave the Toolpath in the blank area. Okay, then let's align our view in the top view. Yeah, and then let's go to move. Just like you draw a box, and then all the Toolpaths within this box will be trimmed. Go to here, and double click your middle mouse. Wow, amazing! Yeah, quickly get rid of the unnecessary Toolpaths to help you to get a clear and smooth Toolpath. Also, you can keep on going on this region. Okay, we do that. Oh, good. Yeah, the world is clear. Yeah, you can find the Toolpath is clear and smooth. Yeah, no unnecessary Toolpaths on it. Yeah, it's safe. Yeah, okay. Also, you will find the link in and link out between the Toolpaths also has been automatically updated. Yeah, this is another amazing point about the Toolpath editor. It will help you to automatically do that. Okay, just okay. Then let's carry out a sort of verification. Verification. You can do that. Now you can find it. You just move around this region. Okay. Yeah, just now we have mentioned how to use the Toolpath editor to reorder our cutting sequence. Yeah, it's very easy. Use this reorder operation to do that. So let's back to the previous example to see how to do that. First, let me highlight it, and also align the view to the top view and highlight it, and then use the reorder, and I want to first cut this one. Oh, it's okay. So I pick this and then make it into the bottom of the sequence. And then I will go to this one and pick this and go to the bottom again. And yeah, you can pick one, another one where you want to cut in the next time. And then keep on going and then pick this one. Pick this one. Yeah, go to bottom and go to bottom. Okay, now go to bottom. Okay. Now go to bottom again. Okay, now the sequence of the machining has been changed. Now let's go to verify it to see whether it's okay. Okay, let's take a look at it. Solve the verification and let's slow down this process. The first cut this region and then jump to this here. By this way, it can help user to keep rigid of this part. Okay. Now, yeah, next one, the third is this pocket, and the fourth one should be here. Yeah, this is how to use the Toolpath editor to reorder the cutting sequence. Okay, let's speed up this process. Now in this one, and then go to the middle. Yeah. Also, from this process, you will find that the operation is very easy. Just like if you know how to operate your mouse, you know how to operate ZW3D scan. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, just pick what you don't want and what you want. Yeah, just something simple like this one. Okay. Wow. This is something about new Toolpath edit. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this the optimized cutting sequence with the new Toolpath edit. Next one, let's go to see another example for the Toolpath edit. Yeah, actually, we will use this example to show how to use those operations like the move pattern and mirror and relink and extend, something like that. Okay, let's first highlight one Toolpath. But you found that the Toolpath it's not what you want. Actually, maybe you want the alternative cutting sequence. So it's easy. Just highlight it. Go to reorder it. And then you will find some icon or button in here. You can change this sequence into this one. Yeah, you will find the Toolpath will cut those areas with the alternative sequence. Yeah, like this. And sometimes maybe you are not satisfied with the Toolpath because it's too short. It's too short to cut all the face of it. So let's use this one. First highlight. You can extend all of them. Now, in order to get a full machining, yeah, okay, again, give a big value, use this. Now you get it. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is something about the new Toolpath editors, relink and reorder and extend. Okay, about relink, I would like to use another example to show it. Okay, about here, maybe you don't want to cut this part with such Toolpath, so I will first use the trim. Okay, first. I cut edge. Now I get this kind of link in and link out. So I want to relink them. Use this. Adjust that. It's not good, so you can change. It looks not good. Okay, you can keep on going. Yeah, you get the orange one. Very easy to undo and redo, like something like that. You can really edge the stripe, change the distance between them, something like that. Amazing. Yeah, quickly you can repair the destroyed toolpath like this. Okay, this about the relink function, how to use it to help you to cut the unnecessary toolpaths and relink them. Okay. Now here, let's take a look at this the multiple step down operation. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to another example. Now in this example, for sometimes maybe for the pockets, we cannot cut them with only one dips. We need to use different cutting dips to help us to get a good machine quality. So in here, actually, we have determined define a different point to get the different step down. Okay, you can go to the boundary, limiting. Yeah, here. You found it? Yeah, for the boundary point here, you can define different boundary points to help you get the multiple step down. Then let's take a look at it. For example, I choose this point, and then add layer. Now you get a new one, and then you can go to here and adjust this. In here, I want to use this value to cut and add the edge, and then calculate again. Then you will find the difference will show you. Now you get different cutting layer with different step. Yeah, this is the big round. Use the this value 2 millimeters to cut this layer. In this layer, you can use this value, and in this layer, yeah. Okay, we use different points to define different layer to get the different step down value. Okay. This simple improvement about the step down. But last improvement about the CAM's highlight is that for some precise machining case, we add a very useful toolpath extending toolpath editor function to help user to get a full machining about some precise machining. Okay. Now we take this example to show it. Now here, the default is 30. Yeah, we get the toolpath like this one. Actually, you cannot get a full machining about the boundary. Yeah, especially for along this side, you cannot get a full machining. So, if you go to change boundary, and then you can change your extension Mercer. Okay. Now before we do that, we needed to define an extend phase. So let me duplicate a new operation to do that, and we do that again. And add, create surface. This is the new surface. Now let's change. Remove add. Okay, let's redo that again. Surface. I don't know why it doesn't work. Okay, extend. Okay, here and surface. Okay, now we got it. And then, if you want to extend your toolpath, you first need to define an extender surface. Here, just say okay. Now you got it, and then you can go to the parameter, find the boundary, and go to the linear which kind of Mercer you want to use to extend it. And also you can give a distance for the extension, calculate. Now you get a different toolpath for it. And you also can change the circular. Yeah. Okay. In this way, it's not easy to get tell the difference between each Mercer. So I would like to copy different. This one, let's use the circular. Okay, and change the display color. I use this one. Okay. And also, yeah, in order to get a clean idea about it, let's change this value into 10. Okay. And about this one, and let's go also go to 10. Yeah. Now let's change the view to this side view. Okay. Yeah, you will find this is the difference. The linear just the tangent to the surface of the circular. It means that it will along the curvature of the extension boundary. Okay. And then let's go to use the last one. Use the curvature diminish. Okay. Let's get another new toolpath. Almost the same with the second one, but it's along a curvature diminish way to get it. Okay. For each way you want to use, I think it should use it according to your real requirements. Okay. This is the new extend toolpath function. Yeah. Okay, for the last one, let's take a look at the minimum toolpath. Minimum tool handle next. Okay. Yeah, for this one, actually we will have calculate the toolpath, and then if you go to setup and setting and check this box tools, you will get this information. True or not? You get here and use the minimum total time. Okay, now you will get the minimum cutting time is this one. So in order to verify the calculation result, let's duplicate it again, and I will recalculate this one to see whether this time is the same with this one. It needs a little bit of time to calculate all of them. Yeah. With this function, it can help you to get more safety cutting, because it can remind the user, the minimal hanger length should be. Actually, for today's webinar, I think, okay, now you get all the time. Now you can find them. It's same. Yeah, actually, we have also get a comparison with other software. We will find the difference is very, there is very similar and very near. Yeah. That's the result from the ZW3D, and this is the result from other software. Yeah, we can find almost the same. So we can say, now in the latest version, it can provide more safety cutting for user. Yeah. Okay. I think that is all the points I want to show off you in today's webinar about the highlights of the ZW3D CAM. Okay, let's review all of these points. Yeah, from the beginning. Yeah. The first one is the new workflow for parameter setting, and then is the big point for the new Toolpath editor. With this new Toolpath editor, you can do a lot of things to help you to get a good toolpath to finish your path. And also, the third one is the optimized roughing cutting sequence. And also, you can use the Toolpath editor to optimize your cutting sequence for some special material, for some special part, and so on. Next one is the multiple step down in the roughing phrase. You can have a user to handle with the deep pocket, something like that. And next one is for the calculation and the minimal tool handlings. It provides more convenient and safety way for user to get the safe machining. The last one is for the precise machining. You have user to extend the toolpath to get a full machine for the part phase. Okay, that's all for today's webinar. Highlights of ZW3 2014 CAM. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Roy. So hello, do you have some question about for today's webinar, the new CAM features in ZW3D 2014? Now, if you have any question for the CAM new features, please send your question to our email. Now, just a reminder, in next month, we will hold another webinar about the mode. So also more information will be available later in our website, and you should be receive an email about it and soon. Now, do you have some other question about today's webinar? Now, if you have any feedback about our features, it is very highly. Okay, that's all. Now, thank you for your attending. Thank you, Roy.